Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lalo Salamanca tacos. We'll begin by marinating 1.5 pounds of succulent pork shoulder in a rich, spicy adobo sauce. This crucial step infuses deep flavor. After a good 4-hour soak, sear the pork until it achieves a beautiful, dark caramelization. Then, slow cook it until it's fall-apart tender, ready to be shredded for our delicious tacos. Next, let's craft the fiery heart of our tacos, a robust salsa roja. Roast ripe tomatoes, chilies de arbol, and garlic to develop complex, smoky flavors before blending. While the salsa cools, gently warm about 2 dozen corn tortillas on a comal, making them soft and ready to hold our fillings. Don't forget to dice 1 large white onion and chop fresh cilantro for essential, fresh toppings. Now for the exciting part, assembling our Lalo Salamanca tacos. Take your incredibly tender, slow-cooked pork and shred it into perfect, bite-sized pieces. Each warm corn tortilla should receive a generous, heaping portion of this flavorful meat. Then, crown your pork with a spoonful of that vibrant, spicy salsa roja, followed by a sprinkle of diced white onion and a flourish of fresh cilantro. To complete your Lalo-inspired taco experience, always offer fresh lime wedges on the side. A squeeze of lime brightens all the flavors beautifully. Also, provide extra salsa roja for those who crave an additional kick. Serve these magnificent tacos immediately, ensuring they are enjoyed at their peak warmth and deliciousness. These bold, flavorful tacos are perfect for sharing with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.